Welcome back, guys. This is question 6.23 of chapter 6, and the statement of this question is the IQs of 600 applicants to a certain college are approximately normally distributed with the mean of 115 and a standard deviation of 12. Okay, so mean is given here. Let me write the given data here as well. The number of students, let me write it as n equal to 600, and mean, let me write it as mu is 115, and standard deviation, which is sigma, that is 12. If the college requires an IQ of at least 95, how many of these students will be rejected on this basis of IQ regardless of their other qualifications? Note that IQs are recorded to the nearest integers. Okay, so here the value of x, which is the threshold, that is 95. So we want to find out that how many students will be rejected on basis of this criteria. Okay, so first of all, what do we have to do? We have to find out the value of z so that we can use the z distribution table. So here z is x minus mu divided by sigma. Let me write the value of x, that is 95, minus mu, which is 115, divided by sigma, which is 12. So this is minus 20 divided by 12. So let me write it. So 20 divided by 12, how much is this? This is 1.67. okay, so this is minus 1.67 because of this sign here. So now this is what we have. Now we want to find out what? We want to find out the probability that x is less than or equal to minus 1.67, and to find it out we have to use what? This is the z value, so therefore I have to use the z distribution table. So this is the z distribution table, and we have to find the value of minus 1.67. so minus 1.6 is here. Okay, this is the row of minus 1.6, and the column of it is this is 67. So this is the value for this one. So minus 1.666 this, and minus 1.67 is here, 0.0474. 0.0474, and that is what? That is the probability that x is less than or equal to minus 1.67. So this is the probability that the lower IQ than 95 will be this one. But we want to find out the number of applicants out of these 600. So now in order to find the number of applicants out of the 600 which fulfills this criteria would be the number of applicants multiplied by the probability 0.0474. okay, so let me multiply it. So 600 multiplied by 0.0474, so this is how much? This is 28.44. okay, 28.44 or around 29 students. okay, so the answer of it is around 29 students or 29 applicants will be here, that who has the IQ of at least 95. okay, so that is what? That is the solution of question 6.23. if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.